The Pfaff sewing machines have excellent markings on their throat plate for you to follow based on the seam allowances your project asks for. So if you need a 1/2 inch or it's in metric, if you need 20 millimeters, these are marks that you can find here. You also have a seam guide that comes with this machine. And you can set this, you do loosen the screw in the back here, and the hole will become open enough that you can slide the little tool in. And then you can set this so when you sew, you always get a nice even distance from the edge of your fabric. We use this a lot when we machine quilt, like multiple lines that are parallel to each other, or even back and forth when we do a grid. This way you don't have to draw all the lines on the fabric, just one, and then follow it, and then you move your foot over and put the guide on the first line of stitching, and then just keep on going. So a seam guide is excellent. It kind of forms a little barrier and can help if you're just learning to sew and want to keep nice even stitches. If I'm doing decorative stitches and I want to kind of make perfectly parallel rows, I can also set that to really help me make everything look nice and even. If you've got youngsters sewing, this can kind of be like a set of training wheels that will help them get the confidence they need for sewing nice straight lines.